My goodness. How you doing, little stinker? You are cute. Here's another one. Little tiny one. And there's little brownie over there. So everybody made it overnight. Good job, Ma. Man, you are cute. Look at them long ass ears. Look at them ears. Everybody's got Mama's ears. You make little cute noises. Alright, I'm glad you guys stayed in here. Kept warm. Tonight it's going to be 30. So y'all got to chill in here with Mama. Oh, you like that, huh? Oh, I love you too.